What I know about the traditional approach to syntax is that sentence is recognized as a language product. This approach analyzed by a firm called the Reed Kellogg, which is to provide information regarding the relationship between words and phrases in terms of a subject and a predicate. Subject refers to a noun phrase or a pronoun that functions as the agent who or what does an action in the sentence. Meanwhile, the prediction refers to the part of the sentence that inform what the agent does or is. Example, the smartest teacher trained the lazy boy patiently. The subject are the smartest teacher because the teacher is the one who does the action. Meanwhile, the predicate are trained the lazy boy patiently. This part explains what the subject does. What I know about the structural approach to syntax, that a sentence is actually a combination of elements of classes and groups of words. The elements of class 1 is noun, class 2 is verbs, and group A is the words that have properties of modifiers. Example, the boy kicked a ball. Words the and are group A. Boy and ball are class 1 and kick is class 2. What I know about the transformative generative approach to syntax. The sentence must be formed by the system of rules. Therefore, sentence is then defined as combinations of words which are governed by system of rules or as we call transformations. So they use to determine what rules are applied for the formation of sentence in language and how to form the sentence of the language, such as phrase, lexicon, deep structure, and surface structure. For example, the girl is singing a song. The deep structure is built through phrase structure rules and, and then transformed into the surface structure through transformational rules. I think I agree with the structure approach of syntax because this approach view a sentence as a sequence of words, classes, and group, which make the structure easier to identify. And also the sentence become clear because each word of the sentence belongs to a specific class like noun or verb. What I know about structure of sentence. The structure of sentence use the perspective of the key approach that views the structure of sentence must be analyzed using a phrase structure. The three structures fundamentals principles are every word is lexical category. A lexical or a group of lexical categories form phrases deformed by phrase structure rules, and phrase structure rules are represented into phrase structure tree. The structure tree explains linear order lexicon in the sentence. The grouping of the lexicons into phrases and the hierarchical structure of the phrases. It is useful. Well, I think it is useful because It shows not only the final sentence, but also the process behind how the sentence is formed.